Welcome to our channel where technology meets everyday life.
Wow na wow, Heyan at Sitian, samahan nyo kaming matuto
At makisaya sa aming
Techwela Simplify!
Hi! Grabe tayo, ang dami natin kailangang tapusin. Report ba naman bukas, chapter 1 to 3, grabe.
Kaya nga te, pati PowerPoint gagawin pa.
Kailangan nating magpuyat.
Oo te, malapit na din magdilim. Oh, dapat bilisan na lang natin.
Ilang RR na naman yung kailangan natin?
20 ata te.
Shucks! Walang signal. Wala, paano yan, te? Kailangan na nating matapos. Wait, tawagan ko yung provider.
Sige te.
Hello, sir? Yes po. Pacheck ko po sana yung internet connection, sir, kasi bigla pong nawala yung yung connection namin. Yes po, kailangan na po kasi naming tapusin yung research po namin kasi bukas meron kaming presentation. Yes po. Asa po sana, sir? Okay. So, sa cable po yung problem. Okay. So, paano po ba namin palitan yung cable? Okay po. Wait lang, te, ha? Check ka lang.
Sige te, at hintayin ko kung meron na dito.
Shucks! Di siya nakakonect. So, kayahan ko tong gawin.
Uy, napanood nyo na ba yung The Big Night? Yung Breka daw yung nanalo. Tignan mo oh. Panoorin natin.
Ang sarili mo, Tatay. I'm so happy to be stuck with you po. I'm so happy.
Ano? Connecting? Hindi pa nakaka-half ah. Tawagan ko nga yung mga provider. Hello kuya? Kuya, bakit ganito yung wifi dito sa bahay? Nagko-connecting po. Ganun po ba? Pwede ko po bang palitan yung password? Opo. Sige po, send nyo na lang po sa akin yung step. Tsaka yung user password po para ma-access ko po. Okay po. Thank you po kuya.
Do you have a problem? Yes, this video is for you. So these are just some of the problems that we might encounter in our wireless fidelity connection. So instead of calling your internet provider to fix it, why you can't just do it? So sit back, relax, and learn in our Techwela Simplify. In this video, we're going to talk about LAN cable. So at the end of this lecture, you will be able to define LAN cable,
Identify the tools used in LAN cable installation,
install LAN cable,
and demonstrate patience in installing LAN cable. So are you ready?
because we are more than ready.
So first, let's define LAN cable. So LAN cable, it is a local area network cable. It is also known as Ethernet cable. It is used to connect devices within a local area network. So this allows devices like computers, printers, routers, and gaming consoles to communicate and share resources such as internet access and files.
So now let's talk about the tools used in LAN cable installation. Wire strippers. These are hand tools used to remove the outer insulation from electrical wires without damaging the inner conductor. This is crucial before connecting wires to terminals, connectors, or other components. They come in various designs including manual, self-adjusting, and even thermal tabs. The choice depends on the wire gauge and the user's preference.
Well, there's more. The RJ45 connector, short for registered Jack45, is a crucial component in modern networking. It's the standard connector used for Ethernet cables, enabling high-speed data transmission between devices within a local area network.
And lastly, a crimping tool.
This is used to create a secure mechanical connection between wires and connectors. It forcefully compresses the connector onto the wire, creating a strong and reliable electrical connection. This is often necessary for RJ45 connectors on LAN cables, but also finds use in other electrical and mechanical applications.
And if you want to change your Wi-Fi password to have a fast internet connection, these are the things that you need to do.
First, you need to search the 192.168.100.1 on browser.
Second, input the user and password given by your internet provider.
Third, go to the advanced setting.
Then fourth, go to WLAN or Wide Local Area Network, then find the basic network.
And lastly, you can change the password and numbers of devices you can connect your internet connection.
Just watch this.
Ayun! Success!
Oh, ayun! Maganda na!
Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-TechWise!
Marami ba kayong natutunan ngayong araw?
Kung marami, i-scan lamang ang QR code at sagutin ang inyong pagsusulit.
Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to our